Natry nyo na bang mag-White Plains sa Quezon City? May mga gandang restaurants at mga shops dito sa gilid. So, dito, makikita nyo naman ang iba-ibang restaurants at iba-ibang shops. Ibang-iba talaga ang vibe niya paggabi at napaka-liwanag niya. And kung nata-traffic kayo, pwede naman muna kayong mag-stop over and have a light snack or early dinner. Merong iba-ibang choices like Japanese, American, Filipino, Chinese, and Taiwanese. So, tingnan mo naman yan guys, diba? Ma-traffic talaga sa Katipunan Avenue. So, it's one way of just relaxing. Take an hour's break from your usual routine and visit the spaces between White Plains along Katipunan Avenue. So, this is the Gray Market building. Madami kayong makikita. And, of course, iba-iba na yung vibe niya as compared to what sa nakasanayan ko before na medyo quiet lang ang community namin. But now, it's actually up and coming at madami ka na talagang choices and it's so bright and exciting. So, if you haven't been to White Plains in Quezon City,